For the first problem, we have cosine squared x minus sine squared x over 1 minus tangent squared x equals cosine squared x. And one of the first steps you could do is you could convert everything to sine and cosine. So then instead of having 1 minus tangent squared x on the bottom, you would have 1 minus sine squared x over cosine squared x, because tangent squared x equals sine squared x over cosine squared x. Another first step you could do would be using the Pythagorean identity to convert the right side from cosine squared x to 1 minus sine squared x, because cosine squared x plus sine squared x equals 1. For the second problem, we were given 1 minus cosine 2x equals tangent x times sine of 2x. And once again, you can just convert tangent to sine, or sine and cosine. So then you on the right side, you'd have sine x over cosine x equals sine of 2x. Or sine of x over cosine x multiplied by sine of 2x. Because tangent x equals sine over cosine. Another first step you could do would be to take the double angle identities. So you'd have 1 minus 2 cosine squared x minus 1 on the left side, because cosine of 2x can be converted to 2 cosine squared x minus 1. And then on the right side, you could convert the sine of 2x into 2 sine of x and cosine of x. For the third and last problem, we were given tangent of x minus 4 equals tangent of x minus 1 over tangent of x plus 1. And the first thing you could do here again would be to convert the tangent to sine and cosine. And you would get on the right side sine of x over cosine of x minus 1 over sine x over cosine x plus 1. And then another first step you could do would be using the sum and difference formulas. Because tangent of a minus b equals tangent of a minus tangent of b over 1 plus tangent of a times tangent of b, you could convert the entire left side from tangent of x minus pi over 4 to tangent of x minus tangent of pi over 4 over 1 plus tangent x times tangent of pi over 4. And yeah.